Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with our dressing for today. I've got a food processor here ready to go, so let's go ahead and get our ingredients in there. I've got some sweet leaf basil, so we're going to go in around the sides with a bunch of that. And I use sweet leaf basil more often than not when I use basil in recipes. I love the flavor of sweet leaf basil. But anyway, we'll get that in there like so. Just press it down in there. And then I've got some garlic here. And I've got a clove, so I'm going to split that in half and put that in there. I'll have all the amounts, roughly the amounts that I use for the dressing. You're going to want to adjust it as your taste requires. But I'm going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil. I'm using like an Arbequina or a mild blend of extra virgin olive oil that I use for dressing. It's great to add flavors to without the dressing being overpowered with olive. Some lime juice. After our lime juice, just a pinch of salt. And that's kosher salt. Some cracked black pepper. We're going to go ahead and give this a pulse now and get this started here, and then we'll get back to it here with finishing up our dressing, the ingredients. Okay, after getting our ingredients emulsified there and incorporated, we're going to give it a taste test. Man, that is great. The lime, the sweetness from the basil, the garlic, salt. I'm going to add just a pinch more salt. And to top it off, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of light agave nectar, just to bring out a little more sweetness of the basil there. It's already sweet enough on its own, however, let's get that in there, and then we'll give it another sample to see if we need to adjust any more. Alright, we got our agave in there, we got it mixed up. Man, that tops it off. Like I said, I don't use a lot of it, but just a little bit of extra sweetness to add to our dressing here. But our dressing's ready to go, so let's go ahead and reserve this off to the side and get our avocado ready for the salad. Okay, so it's time to get our salad ready. Now you've got nice avocado here. You want to make sure it's firm to the touch but has just a little bit of give, not too much. That way you know you're ready to go with the avocado. And you've probably seen it done a million times, but you slice it in half like so, twist, and they come apart. Gorgeous avocado. And then go like this. 1, 2, not all the way through obviously because my hand is under there. Oh, but anyway, and then across. Nice chunk sizes. So I do about 2 lengthwise and about 3 widthwise, and then you're ready to go as far as our avocado. So then you just take a spoon and scoop it out into your bowl, like so. And I'll show you again here real quick. We'll get our seed out of here, or pit. And you can throw it around, drop it. But 1, 2, and then I do about 3 cuts across. Like so. Set our knife down out of the way. And then just scoop it all out. But I'm going to get the other avocado in there. I'm using 2 avocados today. And we'll get back to it. Alright, we got our avocado. Now before our avocado starts to brown or oxidize, we want to get some lime juice on it. Vinegar also works, but since we're using a lime-based or basil-lime dressing, we're just going to add a little more lime juice to this to keep it from browning. Avocado is low or has very little antioxidants in it, therefore you need to have something like vinegar or citrus or acid to keep it from browning. We just want to use some additional lime juice like so. And then we're going to slice some tomatoes. I've got some gorgeous cherry tomatoes here. This time of year is great for tomatoes. These are hydroponically grown. These are also vine ripened, as they say. So they're gorgeous red and ready to go. That's what I'm going to use today. You can also use some heirloom tomatoes. Those are great this time of year. They've got all different colors and great flavors. But I'm just going to slice some cherry tomatoes in half like so and put them in to our salad here for today. So let me get some more in there. Alright, we got our tomatoes in there. Give everything a nice little mix. Now we can put our dressing in there. Look at that. So good. Go ahead and get everything all mixed and well incorporated. And then we're ready to plate up and eat. The best part. I love making everything, but I also love to eat it. But there, look at that gorgeous looking color. Gorgeous salad. So let's get to plating and eating. Okay, here's our gorgeous avocado salad with basil-lime dressing or vinaigrette. And to top it off for myself, this is an optional ingredient, you can put on some cayenne pepper. So I like a dusting of that to go with mine. Like I said, that's an optional ingredient. However, there is our dish. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I know you'll love it. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time.